Wet, miserable day today. I'm going to take out the Cadillac. Brand new shock absorbers in the back. So start it up. Traction disabled. Fucking anti-lock. Air pump is pumping air into the shocks. Still got the service ride control because the whatever sensors those are called, level sensors are still done in it. So I'll take it for a little highway tour. Buckle up for safety. V8, you never know what'll happen. So there's less of a knock in the back end now. Coil springs are done. Well, the springs themselves aren't, but the bushings sure as hell are. It's not bad, but you can hear it once you get up to a certain speed going over this rippled road. You can hear a faint knocking. It's not that bad. Before you couldn't even drive this car at all. It's hard to control just because of the bad shocks, but it's not as bad. The front struts are done. They're getting pretty soft. Better than what it was. The car isn't going to be winter driven. It handles 10 times better than what it did, that's for sure. Can't believe summer's gone already. Leaves are changing. It's going to snow any day. Hopefully it'll stay off for a couple of months yet. Ride's better than what it did at 55, that's for sure. Ooh, that doesn't sound good. Brakes are done in this. Hear it. Well, it doesn't ride like a Cadillac should, but it's a little better. The shock absorbers I ordered from Arnott Industries. They're in Cape Canaveral, Florida. It took about a week and a half to get it shipped to my place. The total bill for the shipping, plus the 2 shocks and the shipping and taxes and what have you, cost me a little over $500. Some shock absorbers will actually cost you over $1,000 just for one. They don't give them away, that's for sure. And it took roughly 2 hours to put both of them in, let's say. I think it was about that. I never timed it, but I think it took roughly 2 hours for that job to get done. It's a little better. Not the greatest, but this car was going to break me if I put in a little too much money into it, so I figured $500 was good enough just on shock absorbers.